How's everybody doing? It's Neff and Natalia with Nocturnal Labs, bringing you guys a cool ass video this time. What are we doing?
I don't know. You didn't tell me.
Okay, well check this out. It was a little surprise for Natalia. Today we're gonna be doing wooden flags, but we're from Puerto Rico, so we're gonna have a little competition of whose flag is nicer and whatever, and you guys get to decide. So stay tuned, baby, because here we go. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, baby.
Also, this is gonna be my first time actually making something out of wood.
Yes.
So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna show you guys. I have one here started. It's gonna look something like this. This one's obviously not done. You know, it's missing something in this little area. So, but it's gonna be, we have our wood already cut out. We didn't wanna keep you guys, you know, or have you guys watch us cut wood, because I mean, who can't cut wood, right? But hey, I mean, it's easy to cut wood. All you need is a saw. Anyways, so we got the 1x2x4 straight off of Lowe's. You know, nice little wood, and we're gonna start doing some painting. I'm gonna paint mine one style, and I mean, obviously with the flat colors, but I don't know how Natalia's gonna do hers, but that's what we're here for. So we'll see which one is nicer.
I don't know what I'm doing either, so we'll figure that out on the way.
Yes. We have Tight Bond, which I don't think we're gonna be using because, well, unless she wants to use it. And I got this thing because I'm gonna have mine, instead of the white strips on the flag, I'm gonna have mine like a burnt looking color. Hopefully it looks nice. I mean, I don't know. If it doesn't look nice, I just paint over it. And then once we're finished and we give it the time to dry and everything, we're gonna put some polyurethane on it so they become nice and shiny, you know what I mean? Alright, so here we go. These are the colors that we're gonna be using.
They can't see that.
Well, take a look.
Oh, okay. This is the 3 colors. Where'd you get these from?
Wally World.
We got them from Walmart. Okay guys, so we finally finished the projects. Keep in mind, this is my first time, this is my first time doing like a wood project. So here is mine. I just have these 2 little strings over here, and then I just have like a little knot here so I can hang it up. But yeah, this is it. Papi.
And here's mine. I have a whole bunch of little strings everywhere, but it looks nice and it has a longer string so it can hang a little bit longer. Bada bing, bada boom.
So, we'll probably add some pictures. Hold yours up.
Oh.
We'll probably add some pictures at the end, like with like more like zoomed in, like if it wasn't focused enough on here. And then you guys have to choose and tell us who did it best. It's this one. This one. No, it's mine. I did it best. But yeah. So that is it. Where you go? That is it for this video. Right, that's it. It's it. Yeah.
I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. And always, we thank our subscribers. We keep moving up, and we're super excited.
Yeah.
So thank you guys.
Also, if you guys do try this project, or like like with your flags or something, make sure to tag us because we would like to see your projects.
Yes, yes, yes.
And it is very fun, quality time if you're gonna do it with your kids. Just saying.
Yeah, we had fun.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, peace out. Appreciate it.